Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is racer type stopwatch, digital stopwatch for racing and other utility lab use. It has an option here. We have got this mode option is there. We can see the alarm 1. Here we can see the alarm 1 is visible here. You can see a close up. Now all of the video will be here. You can see it alarm 1 here. You can select the alarm 1 and you can go with the alarm 2 option. Here we have the alarm 1, a clock is also there, count up, and there are options here. Now this is going up, counting up is going on. I can stop it here, I can clear it and then again start it. This is going on up. Up means 1, 2, 3, 4 is going up. I can stop it, close it. That timer is, I can set the timer. If it is 0, 0, I can set it to 5-second timer. Once I start it, counts down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see. This is stop. You can stop anyway. The option, these are count up and count down. This mostly it is always one section, but this particular stopwatch is double. Here we have the 2 alarms. We can go with the mode. We can go with the mode. This is the time mode. You can see this timer clock is visible and this is the time 12:25. I can put one alarm here. This is 11. I can make it 12:45 was the time. I can see this time is 1:13:45. I can make it alarm 1:13 and then I can adjust it to 46:47. I can make it 47:47 and then this time is 1. I can put another alarm here. I can check it, go with the other. These are the options of the voice, how much volume is there. Once it does not start unless this alarm is visible. I can switch it off and on. Now it is off, it is on. I can put the another alarm by selecting it to the second alarm. Here you can see the second alarm. I can put it to 50:49. Now the second alarm is also set. You can see the second alarm is visible. There are 2 options, 1 arm and 2. Both alarms are visible. I can go with the timer. You have understood. I can start the timer, count up, it is going up, and I can stop it and count down also. I can make it down. This is the main option what the buyer is asking. Now you see this stop. Now the timer is going 45. Now it will alarm, it will work for 1 only. I can stop and start and I can make it both the alarms visible. Now both are now available. So this is going to work for both the alarms. You can make it, but this works only when there is all is clear. Mode is when timer is working, it will work 1 alarm or second, and up and down. You can see the manual comes with this and this stopwatch is there. You can subscribe to the channel and our email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexport.com. You can subscribe to the channel and share the videos, like the videos. It has a AAA cells on the back side. You can put the cells and use it. Now see, another alarm has started. This is 13:49 alarm. I can stop it again. Another one will also start after few minutes. Share the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.